Hey guys, so it's Ari and I'm back with another video. Yes. So I made this slime on another video, but it stopped in the middle. So I will just start from where I am. So what I'm going to show you is what I put in. So what I put in is teal coloring and a golden glitter. So I use the rest of it. So all I have to do is add the Staplo and then I will play with it. I might make another slime just like so it's not that boring and you just see me Staplo slime and put it together. So I will be doing that. So let's get into it. So first, I have to go get something. So I have to get my little Staplo bottle. I know this looks like glue, but it's Staplo in a little bottle. So yeah. Okay, so this has barely any, so I'll probably be adding some of the new kind. So, but it's definitely not enough. Definitely. So let's open this. This is brand new. I haven't used a drop of it yet. I think that was a lot. Ugh. That probably was a lot. Ugh, it's still sticky. Okay. I was just checking on the camera. So it looks not very good right now. But I can say it is pretty much slime. Ugh, look at that. It is still sticky. Still sticky. So, let's add some more. Okay, let me get this glue out of the way. Okay, so this looks disgusting right now. It will look better. Maybe I should get up here. Get this up. Okay, so this is my slime right now. Guys, it looks pretty disgusting. Pretty freaking disgusting. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, it is still sticky. Still. Like, look at that. Ew. So, let me get some more. Come on. Turning the slime already. I probably should have started using my hands. So, oops. I gotta move some stuff out of the way. Does not poke at all. It's actually disgusting as heck right now. So, just gonna knead it. Okay. Oh my goodness. It does not sound like toothpick. Ew. Yeah, toothpick, I think. Whatever that was. Anyway, this. Trying to get the rest of the Staplo out. Oh, it pokes at least. try to set it up. Sorry guys, I can't see that well. If I could set it up like this. Okay, good. So, come on. Look at that. That just sticks to my hand. Terrible. This is horrible. Move the spoon out of the way. I'm just getting more Stafflo now. So, if you can hear the background music, not background music, background noise. Sorry about that. It's not being downstairs. Oh, it's just so. This is my slime so far. It's pretty good, I guess. It's still sticking on me, but make sure you give this video a like. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you do that. So, I'm just gonna look at my hands. No, don't look at that hand. Look at this one. Disgusting. Ew. So it's on my desk and stuff. Ew, it's on my hand, everything. But I kind of like the slime. So, yeah, that is that slime. So, I might make a very small slime. I might make a very small slime. Because I feel like it. And this video would be boring to just watch me play with slime instead of making one. So, stay tuned. Like I said before, make sure you like, subscribe, and it's on me. Oh boy. This next one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I don't know if I'm going to put coloring in it. I might color it later sometime. But anyway, guys, I'm going to try to clean up my hands. And I am going to make another slime. So, who cares? I'm just going to put teal coloring on the other slime. Next slime I make, I might make a fluffy slime. I'm going to grab some shaving cream. It's snowing pretty much. Okay, where's the shaving cream? Here's some. Better not. This is my dad's, but I used this before in another video. So, yeah, got the shaving cream. Got everything right now. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's get into making another slime. Yeah, and I'll just let that slime, this slime, sit for a while and get nice and stretchy for me. Grab another container.